Hi everyone, today I want to introduce the Mi Air Purifier 2C. This is the new Mi Air Purifier from Xiaomi, and this is released in India and it's designed for Indian market. It comes with dual filtration True HEPA filter. So it has a very high CADR, the clean air delivery rate of 350 cubic meters per hour. And it also comes with a real-time air quality indicator. So now let's unbox the Mi Air Purifier 2C and see what is there inside, and we will also compare it with the Mi Air Purifier 2S. It comes with the user manual. As you can see, everything is in English. It is nicely packaged. This is designed for the Indian market and it is a budget friendly device, so maybe they have done a lot of cost cutting. It has the power button on top. The filter can be replaced very easily in this Mi Air Purifier 2C. So the top of the filter comes out like this, where the lower section of the Mi Air Purifier is having the filter, the HEPA filter. The HEPA filter comes out like this. It has a 2-layer filtration and it can be installed very easily, but it does not come with the RFID tag. The lower section is porous for the air intake, and it can take air from all the 4 sides, unlike the previous versions which takes air only in the 3 sides like the Mi Air Purifier 2 or 2S. So it can be easily installed. It barely takes 10 seconds to install the filter. The power cord is of decent length, but the thing that I don't like about the power cord is it is attached permanently to the top section of the air purifier and it cannot be removed, unlike the previous air purifiers where the cable is on the bottom of the air purifier. Now let's turn on the air purifier. So we can press the power button on top of the air purifier like this, and it has 4 settings. First one is the auto mode, where it can regulate the airflow based on the air quality. The second one is the low mode, which is labeled as 1, so the lowest setting of the air purifier. And then the second is the middle mode, where the filtration process is at the middle level, around 50%. And the highest mode is the third setting, where it is quite loud, and this is the highest setting of the fan that is inside the air purifier. So these are all controlled manually. There is no app connectivity, Wi-Fi connectivity, or any other smart app settings. So these are very manual controls, and the indicator in front of the air purifier is green for good air quality, orange for mid-level air quality, and red for bad air quality. So based on the air quality, you can set the settings manually or you can set it to the auto mode. So these are the features, and it's a very simple device, and unlike the other Xiaomi devices, this is not a smart one. So based on the price, this is okay. They have done a lot of cost cutting, and the filter is a 2-layer True HEPA filter, so that is quite good for the Indian market where the air pollution is quite high, like in New Delhi. But for other markets, maybe it's not that much required. So next we can compare it with the Air Purifier 2S, and I'll show you what are the differences and what do you get more for the extra cost. Now let's compare the Mi Air Purifier 2C with the 2S. The 2S is the smart version. It comes with the Wi-Fi and app connectivity. You can control the air purifier from the Mi Home app. It also comes with the OLED screen, but it does not come with the HEPA filter. It comes with the EPA filter, which is a 3-layer filter. So now you can see that it is currently turned off. So we can turn it on from the app, and you can turn it on like this from the app. So once it is turned on, it displays the current air quality. It also displays the current temperature, indoor temperature, and the humidity level. So it has 3 modes. One is auto mode, and it has the night mode where the fan will run at the lowest setting to not disturb you. And it has some manual mode. In the manual mode, you can set the level of the purification manually, so you can increase or decrease the amount of fan level through the app. So you can also see the amount of coverage based on the level of the fan. So if you have the highest fan level, then you can see that it is up to 38 meters square coverage. So you can usually the best is to switch on to the auto mode, where it will increase or decrease the level based on the air quality. You can see from the app that it has so many other controls, and it also supports many other functionalities like controlling other apps using the temperature or the humidity reading and the air quality reading and so on. And it can also turn on or turn off by itself based on the air quality reading. So these are all the automation that is possible. So compared to the 2C, the 2S is much smarter. It comes with the OLED screen where you can see the current level of the PM 2.5, which is very helpful, and you can decide based on your requirements which one you should buy. I personally prefer the 2S because it is much smarter and it has a lot of other functions. Another thing you can see is that the filters that comes with the 2C or 2S can be interchanged. If you want a HEPA filter, you can buy one of the 2C filters and put it in the 2S. If you want to buy a smart air purifier with a HEPA filter, then you can consider buying the Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier 3. So these are the things that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing.